This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
Hi, and Happy New Year! I am just on the way to the thrift store, of course. So until I get there and we can do some thrifting together, take a peek at some of my fave quirky characters from 2017 and then stick around for the top Refashionista DIY videos of 2017.
Oh, hello, you lovely little refashionistas.
You're having a laugh, ain't you?
Hello, today you may be wondering why I wear such warm hats.
Oh, hello. Oh my God, you guys, did you know that the 80s are like totally back?
Oh, hello there.
Oh, hi, y'all. Y'all gone and caught me fresh out of the shower at my dressing table. So, stick around and get naked. Oh, how's it going, eh?
Oh, hi. You've caught me having my afternoon delight.
Oh, hi. Hello, my little puppets.
It would be a crime if you don't stick around.
Puppets, you've just caught me making myself a fresh pot of tea. Oh my God, you guys.
Number 5, how to shorten a dress without sewing or cutting. And number 4, my groovy Refashionista closet tour. Number 3 from 2013, splendid sleeves. Number 2, how to easily upsize that blouse. And number 1, shrink that dress DIY tailoring. Now let's take a quick little thrifting trip together and you can see where I scored this absolutely gorgeous vintage evening gown. Ooh. And as always, remember, for loads of tips, tricks, and pre-loved fashion tutorials, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista at awesomesauceashattery.com. And let's make 2018 superbly sustainable.